Today I am going to show you how to verify your age in Twitter or X app. Simple and quick process. First, open up your X or Twitter application. Tap on your profile. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Security and Account Access. Then click on Security. On here, it shows IT verification. It says upload an approved form of identification to confirm the authenticity of your account. Your information will only be used to validate your identity and will be handled safely and securely. Click on this. You can see it says you need to upgrade to Premium in order to verify your ID. So tap on Upgrade to Premium, enter your payment method, and then pay the amount. After that, you will be able to verify your age in X app. That's all. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe.